Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reset MacBook. You need to visit first Apple logo and then system settings. Yeah. So once you go to system settings, so there's an general. Click on general, and there you find actually transfer or reset options. Just click on that. There's an option called erase all content and settings. Just click on that, and you need to put the password of that particular if you're in admin mode. So unlock that. Yeah, it's a simple settings. Just touch id. It'll go off like actually after reset. Erase all settings, everything. So it'll start erasing and it'll reboot it. Yeah, while rebooting, it'll prompt like activate Mac. Just give a next option. Before that, you need to connect the Wi-Fi and just click on restart. Yes, we have done the reset. So you need to configure from the beginning. All the configuration part. Guys, thanks for watching. So need your support. Just have a subscribe and follow us. Thank you so much for watching.